Hey guys, so you've got your cross on your third layer now, and the next stage is to try and get it lined up. So usually what happens is you get the cross going and then you look at your cube and nothing quite lines up. So I've got, oh, there, that one's lined up and that one's lined up, but these two aren't. Sometimes you look at it and it looks like nothing's lined up. Maybe you just have one thing. Usually if you have one thing, that means you've got another one. So just the geometry of it, you're always going to have one lined up, or you're always going to have two lined up, really. So what you want for this algorithm is you want the two lined up to be right over here on this corner. So I've got my blue and my orange lined up, but then these two are in the wrong place. So the algorithm I'm going to show you switches those two. Okay, so my green and yellow and my red and yellow are going to switch when I do this algorithm. And so let's do it. So we're going to just, this is an algorithm that is half of the longest algorithm you need to solve at the end of this third layer. So the way it goes, again, I'll put the notation in the comments. You're going to go right, and then you're going to turn the top twice. Now it doesn't matter what direction, because if you go this direction, it's the same as going this direction when you turn it twice. Okay, so sorry, let me just do that smoothly. Right, turn it twice, and I hold my cube like this on the side because when I do this algorithm, none of these pieces are going to move. It's only going to be the upper and then the right side. Okay, so I did right, then I turn the top twice. Now I go right back down. Up goes back once. Right goes up. The upper goes back one more time. The right goes down. And then you're going to turn it one more time just to line up each of these pieces again. And now what you'll notice is we're all lined up. So I've got all of those center pieces there, or the side pieces that are lined up with their centers. And that's it for that one. Sometimes you end up with a weird situation, like you might have, let's see what I have here. No, this one's going to be pretty easy too. This one's just orange and blue, and it's the same thing. I put the orange and blue, the ones that are all lined up, I put it over on this top left side, and then the ones that I want to switch are right here. And again, all I'm going to do is go right, up twice, right goes back down, the up goes back, then the right's going to go up, the up is going to go back again, right goes down, and then we realign everything with one more turn on the top, and there you have it. So I'm going to just do it kind of fast just so you get the feel for it. So you're just trying to get muscle memory on this one. So it's right, up, down, up, right, up, down, and then you've got everything kind of mixed up there. But you're gonna turn it one more time. You're gonna do an upper. But now I just mixed it all up, so which is not a big deal because I know how to solve it. But I'm just trying to practice it, so I don't have to solve it. And you can kind of get used to that sound. It just gets you. It's one that you'll get familiar with. And it sounds kind of like I'm getting close to solving the puzzle. Now what I've done here is I've actually set it up in one of the other positions that you'll see. So again, you have the cross, and then you have the orange and yellow matching, and then the only other matching one is the one on the opposite side. So if it sits like this where you're like, oh man, I got nothing matching, like I say, if you turn your cube once or twice, you'll get stuff to match. So this one's now opposite on that side, or if I do it again, I've got the opposites on these sides. If you have them opposite, no big deal. You're going to do the same algorithm. You're going to go right, up, right goes back down, up goes back, right, up, right, up. And what you'll get is you'll get a configuration where now I have the two in the corner. So that's my ideal position there. Those are lined up. And then I'm just going to switch these two by doing the algorithm one more time. There they are, the mismatch. And There we go. Now I've got those all lined up. Great. That's that. So now your X is lined up. You have all the centers matching. The only thing left to do is to figure out how to get the corners set. And that'll be the next video.